Hey guys, good morning. I am walking my dog before I start getting ready for my agency meetings today. I am really excited for today. It's like kind of a packed day and I want to get him walked and fed. Frank's on a business trip, so it's just me right now. And I want to make sure that the dog is well taken care of. I'll show you guys like my natural kind of casting slash I guess agency meeting makeup. It's really simple. It's just like concealer, blush, a little bit of brows, and like a tiny coat of mascara. It's nothing crazy, but does the job, enhances your natural features. I think it makes me look less of a naked mole rat than I currently look right now. But yeah, I am super excited for today. I'll show you guys my book. I updated my portfolio on my iPad, so I can show you guys that. And yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. My eating might be kind of sporadic today. To be honest, it's probably the worst day to film what I eat in a day. It's more of like let's just call this a vlog, because my stomach is in knots. I get like super stage fright whenever I have to like go to meetings or any, I don't know why, like my anxiety gets so bad before stuff like this. Well, I do know why. I mean, I feel like it's pretty common. And once I get in there, I'm like way better, but it's just the anticipation and I can't really eat. So I need to eat, obviously. I need to eat like healthy, balanced meals all day. So I'm gonna do my best to literally force myself to eat, because not very intuitive of me, but I'm not gonna not eat because I'm anxious. So I am gonna have to force myself, but yeah. Okay, so I just got back inside. It is currently 9:43. I'm gonna have a cottage cheese and a banana. I'm seriously like, my stomach is hungry, but I just like have nerves. So I don't want to eat anything because I'm just like nervous. But I'm gonna eat this anyways. My hair looks like strings, so we're gonna have to figure something out with that. I think I might just, honestly, I know this is bad and kind of damaging, but I might plug in my round brush again. I have the dry bar like round brush I showed you guys in my last video, or in one of my last videos. I might just plug that in, spray some heat protectant, and like go over just the ends and like the front, my bangs, just to like make it look presentable. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm still sipping my water. I have like a sip of my coffee left. I've also been putting half and half in my coffee lately. I switch it out between half and half. I get this like organic clover field or something, half and half from Erewhon. You can get literally half and half anywhere. And I also use the nut pods in all various flavors. I'm currently using the cinnamon roll and I love it. So I switch off, like sometimes I do, if I want like a more sweeter coffee, then I do the nut pods, although it is unsweetened, it has like a flavor. And then if I want just like a simple coffee with cream, it's very nostalgic to me. It reminds me of my mom. That's what I had at her house like all throughout the holidays, like this past month. So it just reminds me of her. So I've been doing that and it tastes good. Doesn't bother my stomach. And I don't see anything wrong with it. Okay guys, this is my casting makeup. I just have some concealer, brow gel, a tiny bit of mascara, you can't even honestly see in this lighting at all, but I have a tiny bit of bronzer and blush just to like warm up my face. Again, this lighting is really washing me out, so you wouldn't even be able to know, but that's kind of the point. Like I put a little powder in my forehead and right here, because I tend to get oily there, but it's like the point is not to look like you're wearing a lot of makeup, which I think I did pretty well. And then I just threw on my Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, get this, not lip liner, but lipstick. And I just like outline my lips with it as if I would do with a lip liner. And then you take your finger and you smudge it all around your lips. And then I put like a fresh lip balm on, and that's it. I feel like it looks pretty natural, pretty good. Okay guys, so this is my little outfit. My shirt is not supposed to come up, but my pants keep falling down, but we're gonna hold it together. It's gonna be good. So I'm wearing this little outfit. The blazer is Zara. The tank is Aritzia. These jeans are Levi's. These shoes, I honestly have no clue. I've had them for like so long. And then the little bag is Balenciaga. This bag is great because it holds like a protein bar, my keys, my lip gloss, my phone, and my iPad. So everything that I need, and like some gum and everything. So it's cute, it's small, but it's like a really good size for a model bag. And yeah, that's the little outfit. Cute and simple, basic, but honestly, that's okay. That's what we want. Simple, blank canvas, you know what I'm saying? We also updated our portfolio. Don't judge the crack on the screen. That happened in London. My friend accidentally stepped on my iPad because it fell out of my bag. But yeah, we've got some good images in there, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I updated this yesterday. They are, unfortunately, somehow it got stuck in the order that, like, of when the photographer took them. So it doesn't show variety, like, in the sequence, if that makes sense, like when you go through the slideshow, but it's okay. I mean, it's fine. But it shows a lot. I like this. You know, I think it looks pretty good. We have some new stuff in here. Okay guys, I got here. Don't mind the boxes back there. They're like clothes I have to donate. But I just got here. It's 20 minutes early, but I have a 5-minute walk because parking was hard to find. Just a little tip for any of these kind of meetings, castings, anything. I like to show up, like, aim to get there 30 minutes ahead of time, because especially if you're in a big city, finding parking can be tricky, and the whole entire street in front of the office, my first office, is closed, like for road work. So I was circling around trying to find parking for a while. So I finally found street parking, and it's 11:11, so anyways, I'm about to head over, and it looks like I'll get there at 11:15, which is 15 minutes before I'm supposed to be there, but that's great. Hey you guys, I just left my first meeting of the day. I don't want to jump the gun, but I had one yesterday, so it's not my first agency meeting. I'm gonna go to the other ones, but I think I want them. Like, I think I just found my new agency. I got such good vibes from them. I absolutely loved them. They were just phenomenal. Like, made me feel so good. We're like, we want you the way that you are. We don't want you to change. They were just like, amazing vibes. They hyped me up. They made me feel so great. And I'm just like, I'm so happy. So I don't know, I like have a really good feeling about this one. So yeah, we'll see. We have another one to go. I might stop and grab a coffee. We'll see how much time I have actually. But yeah, just got to Bluestone Lane, and I got myself a little oat milk matcha latte with some honey. So good. Alrighty y'all, I am driving over to my next agency meeting. I just ate a package of trail mix from Trader Joe's, and I'm drinking my water. My next meeting, I'm gonna get there 30 minutes ahead of time as well, but it's super close to my house, so I'm not really worried. I can just chill in my car. And yeah, feeling a lot better. My nerves have calmed down. I'm chilling. I miss my dog. I'm excited to go home and see my dog. But yeah, I feel good. I feel really good. I'm like on a adrenaline high, but I got a little nibbly, so I ate those nuts and seeds, the little like trail mix thing from, what's it called, Trader Joe's. I think it's called their Trek Mix. But yeah, I am gonna get there and find parking, and maybe I'll head in there a bit early as well. Just got home, and honestly the only thing I could think about craving was an oatmeal bowl. So I made this really delicious, like, packed oatmeal bowl with everything that I want in it. Fruit and almond butter and everything, so I'll show you guys that. But it's the only thing, honestly, that sounded good to me right now. I know it's like a sweet breakfast food that I'm eating for lunch, but I just eat whatever I feel like having and make sure it's like balanced enough and healthy-ish. So this like sounded good to me, so that's what we're gonna do. Here is my beautiful oat bowl. It's got some protein powder mixed into the oatmeal along with cinnamon, and then I also put a banana, some strawberries, and like fresh berries, and then some frozen berries. I put hemp seeds, almond butter, and maple syrup, so it looks bomb. You guys, I just signed a contract. I am so excited. This was the agency that I told you guys I went in this morning, my first one, and they just seemed so perfect, and this is the first time I've felt this like excitement towards an agency ever. And besides my mother agent, I've never really had like a relationship with my agents before, and obviously like I don't know them that well yet, but it just seemed like so right, and I felt so comfortable there, and they seemed like they really wanted me, and everyone was just so kind, and like their morals and everything, like we really aligned on so many levels. And they really made me feel like they wanted me for me, which I just really appreciate. So without further ado, I just signed a Wilhelmina Los Angeles. I'm so happy. Also, side note, I've been snacking all day. This is like the most failure of a what I eat in a day ever. I've just been eating snacks. Besides that oatmeal bowl, I ate more of those protein balls. I ate another protein bar. I have not been, like, my anxiety has been through the roof, so I'm just like forcing myself to eat when my stomach feels physically hungry, but I have not been inspired to like make cute meals or do anything. That oatmeal bowl was delicious though. It was so good, and I'm gonna make something nice for dinner. Like, I don't know what I want, but I'm gonna figure something out. But I also signed myself up for a workout class. It's called Heated Room. It's kind of like mat Pilates. And this one is a full body class for 45 minutes. The room is heated, obviously. It's kind of like hot Pilates, I would say. But it's a little bit more, it's like a little bit of cardio based exercises, like you do some jump squats and stuff, but it also is like all mainly your body weight, which I really like. I'm pretty sure we use resistance bands and some like light dumbbells during it, but for the most part it's your own body weight, which I really like. Especially when it's hot, I don't want to like do anything so crazy. The exercises on their own I feel like aren't super strenuous if the room wasn't heated, so it's nice to have that kind of combination. Also, I like that it's 45 minutes and it's not a full hour, because I think a full hour in like a really hot room can sometimes be like a little too much, unless it's hot yoga, which is just a lot of stretching. I think that feels good. But anyways, I signed myself up for that at 6:15. It's 5:07, so I have some time. It's like super close too, so everything in West Hollywood is literally super close. All my agencies today were super close as well. So yeah, I am so happy. I'm just sitting here. I've been chilling here, like catching up on some work emails and watching YouTube videos and just hanging. But I am really happy. I've said that like 17 times. I call my friends, my mom, my boyfriend, everybody knows. Okay, so I just put on this cute little workout outfit from Set Active. This is what it looks like. I love it. It's like this nice mauve-y nude color. And this workout class, I'm pretty sure you can just do barefooted, because it's like you're just on a mat and it's hot. So I'm gonna wear these socks with slides and take them off. And then I'm wearing this oversized sweater from Ardennes. I really love this outfit. I feel like it's super flattering. So yeah, I'm really excited to go to this class, actually. I think it's gonna be nice. Holy crap, you guys. Look at me. Can you see me? Dude, I look insane. I'm literally red as a friggin' tomato right now, you guys. That class, by the end of it, I like thought I was gonna pass out. I'm about to go home and make a protein shake. And look here, I might order a pizza. I realize now I haven't consumed that much food. Well, I've consumed food, like I've eaten enough calories for the day, but I don't feel nourished because all of my meals have been snacks. Like, I've just been on the go all day. And I mean, this video definitely did not go to plan as far as what I eat in a day's go. Something that I strive to show you guys on my channel is healthy, balanced meals, and that's genuine to what I typically eat every day, especially when I'm working from home or even on set. Like, I ate a good breakfast, I ate a good lunch, I come home, eat dinner. But days like this, when I'm literally running around and have not so much time, this can happen. To quickly stopping at a coffee shop, and I ate my protein bar and had a matcha. Then I went to another meeting, then I came home, I had work to do on my computer, had that oatmeal, had more protein balls and like some popcorn. Now I'm honestly not even hungry because I'm so hot, but I'm definitely gonna go home, have a protein shake, and either make something or have something substantial, because I feel like I need nourishment. I want to order a pizza, but I feel like I should eat like healthy food, because like I haven't had nutrients today. Like, I've had like everything from my package. My oatmeal was good, but you know, this is just life though, guys. Like, it's not, I'm not trying not to sit down and eat meals. Like, I was just like a hot mess today. But if you want some more like meal inspo, or more of like my typical meals that I eat in a day, I have other what I eat in a days on my channel with plenty of like recipes and more typical meals and things like that. This day was just a hodgepodge, and I was gonna scrap the whole video, but honestly, I think it's fine to show realistic life. Like, you know, this is just that's how today went. And to be honest, because of my nerves too and my anxiety, I wasn't really in a hungry mood. I don't know why I'm sitting here and apologizing, but I guess I just never want to, I'm so careful with what I put out there, because I know that when I was going through a tough time with food and body image, I would see what I eat in a days of girls who are like eating a protein bar and like some granola throughout the day and be like, oh, I guess that's what I should be eating. And I never ever want to portray that to you guys, and I'm not like encouraging that you guys eat random snacks throughout the day and like eat sporadically, because again, that's not what I typically do. I'm typically like on top of my meals. Like, you guys can see, a girl can eat. Like, I love food, I'm a huge foodie. Like, this is just real life, and you know, it be like that sometimes, but we're gonna make up for it. We're gonna eat our nutrients when we get home. I don't know what I'm craving, but we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna make something yummy or order something yummy, because we deserve it. We had a crazy day. I got signed to my dream agency. I did a killer workout. This workout was so sweaty, you guys. I feel like I'm gonna die. And I got my other work done, like my social media work. So I feel really good today. And again, not the best day nutrition wise. However, what are you gonna do? Some days I eat like a queen, and some days I eat like a hamster. Today happens to be the latter, but it is what it is. Okay guys, so I'm home. I showered. I still look red as a tomato, but I put my bathrobe on. Obviously did not wash my hair, but I did my skincare, put on a retinol. I decided, it's already almost 8 o'clock. I usually go to bed at 8 o'clock. So I really don't feel like waiting for food to get here, because everything said it was gonna take over an hour. So I made myself a protein shake with my Human Improvement, this protein, and flax seeds and almond milk. And now I'm gonna make my favorite salad. I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients, and then I'll show you the final product. It's really easy. Honestly, it's my favorite salad. It tastes so good. And then for dessert, this is what I'm gonna have for dessert. So my friend brought me a poppy seed cake, and she also, let me open this thing. My other friend gave me a red velvet cupcake. So this is what we're gonna have for dessert. I know it looks weird, but it honestly is gonna be so delicious. So we're gonna eat that, and we're gonna freaking go to sleep. I'm honestly gonna pass out tonight, you guys. Like, I'm so stinking tired. Okay guys, here's the salad. This is honestly the best salad ever. It has fresh berries, spinach, fresh cucumber, those salad topper things, which are like candied pecans and walnuts and craisins. And then I put some chicken in there, my homemade balsamic and oil and Italian seasoning dressing, which is my favorite. And then the key ingredient is like a crap load of goat cheese. Ew, that sounds disgusting, but honestly, goat cheese is my favorite, and it absolutely makes this salad. If you don't have goat, maybe feta or mozzarella would even do, but honestly, goat cheese is key to this salad. Unless you don't like that, of course, which you don't have to do it, but I highly recommend. Anyways, I am going to eat this salad, watch some Friends, eat my desserts, and go to sleep. I love you guys all so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.